a massive $400 SHEIN haul. I have something else to open, but I'm not going to even do that. But yes, let's get into it. I had a knife or something, plastic knife. So, you know, when you order such a big order, you don't even remember what you ordered. So excited. I was ordering so fast. I ordered 2 of some of the same items. So I don't think I'm going to do a try on. I don't know. I know. I've been feeling so fat. So I'm really scared to do a try on. I probably need to, but I'm so excited. I wanted to do the video and lay all the plastic out, but ain't nobody got time for that. So yeah, super excited for this. So yes, let's get into this haul. Okay, so let's get into this. We're gonna go straight in. I ordered pants, dresses, jewelry, everything. Okay, I got a little Los Angeles sweatshirt. I got this big. I got this in a 1XL because I wanted it oversized and I want to wear it with like a white tennis skirt. So we got that. I got this little mock neck sweater, like to go over something. I got this in an extra large and I ordered 2 of these. So I gotta send this back. I think it's an extra large, but I'll insert pictures of everything on how it goes. I got some bodysuits. It's just a plain, oh no, tank top, black tank top. And I got this in white as well. I think this is the sweater. She ordered twice. So stupid. I don't know what I was thinking. Y'all, I was so excited. I just was clicking and clicking. Add to cart, add to cart. Okay. And then I did the afterpay. So, you know, you pay every 2 weeks, which I love. So, yeah, another little basic bodysuit. I got these in a large because I want them sort of fit, wear under stuff. Another girl I saw ordered this, so I thought this was cute. We got some like high-waisted jeans. It was really good material. I really like that. That's cute. I'm on my knees. I don't know how long this can last in this video. I think I may be the only person in America who doesn't have a ring light. Can y'all send me one? You know, I see these everywhere. Like these trash bag things, but I want to put these on with like my Jordans and a little t-shirt. And I got a shirt already that matches my Jordans. I think that'd be cute. But the funny thing is, yeah, I love the bag with the curtain. Where is she going? Where? I'm gonna open these glasses. I'm gonna be all over the place. And these are like my basic beach glasses. I wear these all the time. I have them. My friend sells them, but I just ordered a pair. She's been out of stock. These are my favorite glasses, like my absolute favorite. Got some basic gold earrings. And I'm moving fast. My child is about to get ready for bed. So yeah, these gold hoops. I thought these were cute. And I got some silver rings. I like when people have like rings all up their finger. Excuse my nails, y'all. I do nails and my nails ain't done, but so I wanted to try that. I did silver because I had wear like a silver ring, platinum, white gold and stuff. I thought these were bigger. Just some like leatherish hoops to actually go with that brown shirt. I got some jeans. And I ordered these jeans before. I never did my first try on. And they were too little. Or the zipper broke. But they're like some flare leg jeans. So got that. And I'm doing this fast because I want to do it while my husband still out and then he won't see. Look, I ordered these twice, so I'm going to send these back. Oh, I should have taken the other thing out the bag. Dummy. Oh, I got this t-shirt. Oh, I got some earrings, some like hoops. I have no makeup on and everything, but I think I look cute. I got this t-shirt to go with these pants. So we're gonna see. I get excited. I think that's cute. But when the stuff don't fit, y'all, I be pissed off. Okay, I do. I got mostly everything in extra larges, 12. That's what size I was wearing, but now I see it's getting small. Oh, this don't look nothing like I thought. This material. This is just to like lounge in the house in. But this material feel real cheap. I got this in a large. Just some biker shorts and a t-shirt. And the color looks completely different. It's real see-through. This is, I got some shapewear. I think this is the shape. Oh no, this is like a little corset top. And I got like a little white dress to wear with this. It feels like plastic. SHEIN. Oh, okay. So I ordered my stuff January 29th. It's February 6th, or today's the 5th. I don't know, 5th or the 6th. And it's already here. This stuff wasn't supposed to be here till February 29th. I thought I had time to lose weight before my stuff got here. So, I don't know. I like these shirts, but the only thing about it, like, since I have a lot of belly, it sort of like makes it draw attention to it. So, I don't know. I'm gonna try and pull this off. We're gonna see. Oh, I got some pants. These are like, if I can open them, like some brown leather pants. And the same girl who ordered that other brown shirt, she ordered these, and they were really cute on her. Yeah, I asked her what size. She never responded to me with the size. I don't know. Oh no. They're like, okay. Oh. But there's some, y'all, they're like stuck together. Oh my God. Oh, they're not ripping, but I'm trying to show y'all things. I hope this stuff fits. So that's that. These are, again, a 12, I hope. Yeah, extra large. This is, oh, some little nighttime clothes. Get cute. Okay. Okay. Try and sleep sexy. Gotta keep my husband. Okay. Because if not, somebody else will get him. Oh, this is the little shapewear I got. So I think you like put your bra on with it. Supposed to make your butt look good. We're gonna say. Oh, this is the little white dress that I got to wear with that little black thing. And then I also want to put the sweatshirt with this too. I think that'll be a cute little look. It's just, okay. And it's funny, y'all, because I think my husband thinks that something in here is for Valentine's Day for him, and I ain't giving nobody nothing. This is some more little lingerie. Honey, can my boobs fit in that? I think. And a little piece to go around this fat stomach. I'll insert the picture. I don't know how it go. I don't know. Hopefully it can fit around my stomach. And a little panty. A little red thong. I ain't think this stuff was gonna be for Valentine's Day. I got this little brown dress. I'm excited, y'all. My legs hurt. She was old. Okay. It's a little ruche dress. I love ruche dresses because, you know, they camouflage the areas that we aren't that happy about. So this is cute. It's like midi, comes to your mid calf. And I'm gonna open this next. I don't seem like I got that much stuff, and I spent a lot of money. I was excited about this coat. And I got this. Look, the zipper is getting stuck to the other side. I didn't have to close it all. So I needed this. Okay, coats. Oh man. Okay, I like this. Let's see if she's zipping. Oh, she does. My baby in the tub, y'all. Well, she ain't a baby. Okay. So it's like what she was going for, what she wanted to give. It's cute. I needed this. I really like this. And I'll insert prices. I'll insert links and all of that in the video. And the last thing, y'all, I was super excited about this. I hope it lives up to my expectations. I need to hurry up. Okay. This purse, I was so excited. It's like the Bottega little knockoff. It's a nice size. It feels good. I mean, it's not the actual, it's not even a dupe. It's just like a replica. Inspired. So this is cute. It can be, oh, I guess it can do crossbody. Or we can do here. Or we can even do here. Do these come off? No. So you can just let that hang and hold it here. So, I think it's cute. See the material? It's like plasticky though. There's no pockets or anything in the inside. That's cute. It was cheap. Well, maybe it was, I don't know. I don't remember. But that is all the things. Okay, so this is the dress. It's super cute. It feels good. I think once I put on shapewear, it's like good, but you can like adjust the ruching to cover up everything you don't like, but it's cute. The straps, they feel a little not that secure. I don't know. And then of course I'll wear a strapless bra, but for the most part, it's kind of cute. I like it. Feels good. So here are the pants. Oh, falling. They got a little split inside. I thought this would go, but it really don't. I put the little shaper thing on. I could have got a smaller size to really like suck me in. But the pants are cute. Hopefully you can see them right here. I don't like that. So yeah, these are 12. I think the shirt is an extra large. It's cute. It's a really good material. And you can see that, but definitely I guess we'll have to wear something higher with this shirt. I don't know. It's cute. I like it. I'm gonna try those high-waisted jeans on. So I'll try those in the black pants on, I guess, next. Okay, I decided to try this on, but this is another look. These pants are, you can't really see, but they're like kind of high, but I thought these were cute. With like my Air Force Ones or a combat boot. I even got a sweater, this color, this like burnt rust color. So, but I love their t-shirts. I got this shirt in white as well. This outfit has been in my basket for a long time. Again, 12 extra large, I want to say. It's okay. This a lot, okay? She is sweating, she is hot, this light is shining on me. So y'all bear with me, okay? This is like my first try. Okay, so this is the next piece. This is so uncomfortable. It's like tight right here, but then it's like restricted right here. I don't know, they could have took out one of these seams, but it's cute. I thought it was gonna be like a dress, and maybe like a thigh-high boot. Yeah, but I think this is cute. Or maybe like a biker short. I don't know. What could I wear under it? But yeah, I think this is cute. I like the fit of this sweatshirt. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna do something like it. But I like this. Cute. It's a little super cute. If it's a little shapewear under it. It's not seamless, so I don't know how I feel about that, but I could even wear like these under it. That'd be kind of cute. So if like the wind blows, but yeah, I like this. Real quick, this sweatshirt is not like regular sweatshirt material. It almost feels like that scuba diving material. I don't know, but I like the fit of this. It's long, but I like it, of course, tucked under.
Okay, so this is the other thing. I was thinking this can go with this. Or like a light mock to mix in.
Okay. That's not bad. I need me like a snakeskin knee boot. And I've been looking for one and I can't find it, but it's not bad. Okay, here are these pants. Wish I could scoot that further, but these are cool. Like they stretch like vinyl, I guess that's what they are. And you know, like when you, I don't know, I can't describe it, but like plastic and you pull it, that's how they feel putting them on. But I like the fit. I think these are an extra large too. They all like the little split in the ankle, which is cool. It's a little funny here. I don't know how tight on the neck. And I ordered 2 of these. Both of these maybe one of that. I don't know how I feel about this. Yeah, I don't know if I like this. Oh, it's not bad, but this is the back, the front. But I like this. So, okay, I ordered these jeans before and the zipper was messed up. If there was a, oh no, okay, the zipper is good. These are like a boot cut, dark wash. jean. They're really long, like really long. But I like the. This literally feels like pajamas. Like I guess I can wear it in front of the house. Shirt feels backwards, but it is what it is. But this is ugly. But yeah, it legit feels like pajamas.